Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back into another day of Vlogmas, aka Derismas. This is our 31-day holiday December marathon. Today's look, you guys, is going to be a very easy, simple, super quick, very beginner friendly, last minute holiday look. I do have on basically my full face aside from my eye look, mascara, things like that. And this, I kind of wanted to do something where you already know your base routine, like go in and fluff up your brows, do your foundation, whatever you need to do, but then you're like, man, I need something super quick. I don't really want to, take a lot of time to try to get ready. So this is what that is. So my base is done. And you guys, literally all I'm going to do is go in with a green liner and a red liner. This happens to be a lip liner. I'm going to use it on my eyes. You do not have to do that, but I do not have my red liner anymore. All I'm going to do is take the green liner first. I'm going to follow because I have hooded lids. I'm going to follow from right here. And I'm literally going to take this liner and just start creating a shape. And this could be any type of shape that you want it to be. You can pull it out. You can do the green on the lower, lash line. You could do right on the top. Vice versa, it does not matter. You could also do this with some shadows and a very small detail brush. But I feel like this, I'm done. Like this is incredibly, incredibly easy, you guys. I'm gonna take the red, again, you could reverse this. You could go in with golds and silvers and stuff like that if you wanted to. Now with the red, I'm going to go on the lash line. And again, create any shape that you want. And I'm doing this in real time with you guys. Once I get here, I'm gonna fill in any little missing spots. I should have actually sharpened this. I've been using this quite a lot. This is the Smashbox. This is the Smashbox Be Legendary in True Red. This was gifted. I've used it a ton. I'm gonna wait for this to kind of completely dry and then I will try to remove it. But I should have sharpened this. So I'm gonna fill in. And then the green is the Gemstone liners from Rebel Rouge Labs in their green shade. From here, where I left off up here, that's gonna kind of be my point of reference. So I'm gonna kind of match up where that's at. And I'm gonna meet where I left off and bring it straight across. And again, you can use whatever ones you want to use. You can, however you want to do this, you guys, that is at your discretion. I'm going to go in with a Beauty Q-tip that has a blunt side and a sharper side. I'm going to go in with the tiniest little bit of micellar water. And if I would have sharpened this, I wouldn't have had to do this. All I'm going to do is kind of lift up from here. And I'm just going to clean that up a little bit. And then I'm going to clean this up, obviously. And I did opt to go in with a red blush, and I'm using a ton of blush. I'm super, super blushy. I love blush all the time, but especially during holiday time, I feel like we can kind of get away with wearing a little bit more. And then I'm just gonna tap that out. Now, and this is optional, 100% optional, I'm gonna go in with this little Ico Spotlight Highlight Pencil. You could also go in with just a white or an opalescent, pearlescent type liner. And all I'm gonna do is do the exact same thing, but I'm gonna follow the line right under my brow. And you could do the colors any way you wanted to do them. You could do just, white with green, white with red. You could omit one or the other. If you really wanted to jazz this up, you could go in and do some little rhinestones or something like that. So that's literally it. I'm gonna go in with a little quick coat of mascara. This is the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club. I would normally curl my lashes, but I forgot. It is what it is. Look, it's a last minute party, you guys. It's a last minute little holiday look. You, of course, could throw on lashes. I literally, when I sat down to do my base, it was about 12 minutes to do my base and my brows. And then in real time, of course, I try to edit out, you know, anything that's like I'm paused too long. I'm at 5 minutes exactly. So you can see it literally takes 0 time. And you can create any shapes that you wanted to. You can go in with any variation of colors in here. Do dark green and red, do white and red, do golden, whatever. I'm going to add a little bit of mascara to the lower lash line as well. Now I do have on a lip oil. I'm going to take that off. And we will do the lip together. I hope you guys are well. Are you done with holiday shopping? And I want to know, what is your favorite Christmas or holiday song? My all-time favorite is With My Son. We've loved this song since he was little, but it's I want a hippopotamus for Christmas. Only hippopotamus will do. Pretty sure that's all I can sing without getting clocked for copyright. We love that song so much. I also love like I'm Dreaming of a White Christmas. I love them all, pretty much. But that one just, for me, it just evokes just something special and beautiful to me. Next up, I'm literally going to go back in with that same exact liner. And you do not have to line if you do not want to. You can literally go straight in with just a red lipstick. And I always try to, I don't know if you guys notice that, I have an issue with bleeding. Obviously, you know, I have fine lines and stuff like that. And, you know, we start to lose plumpness and things as we start to age. But I have an issue with bleeding in the outer corners. Like in several videos, I'll be like, hey, ignore the bleeding. That's why typically I will not put any products right here. And it kind of helps that. Next, I'm going to go in the Smashbox Flash Effects in the shade Reckless. This also was gifted. You got, there's something about it. There's something about a red lipstick. It's just classic. It's beautiful. It brightens and whitens the teeth. Let me finish this side off of camera. I'll be right back and I'll say goodbye. All right, here is the completed look. Again, very, very easy, you guys. I literally threw on a green shirt and a green headband, pair of jeans, pair of shoes. Incredibly easy. I love this. I definitely think you could jazz this up. Like if you have the extra time, like start with this as kind of your canvas, if you will. You could go in and do rhinestones, do big lashes. You could draw little snowflakes. You could do little, you know, lights like on a Christmas tree. Endless possibilities, but I just wanted to showcase this. I think so often we kind of freak out a little bit, especially when it's a last minute thing and we're like, oh my gosh, what do? I have 10 minutes to get ready. You guys saw I literally I traced it on, like very, very easy. And I know that a lot of people will say, well, I'm not very good at liner. I am not either. I literally just kind of follow right above the hood of my eye, as you can see, and then regular liner. Now, if you don't want to wing this out, you're not comfortable doing that, do this on the top. It could be any shape. You could literally just, you know, scribble, and then you don't have to go all the way across and do a wing here. You could just go straight across. And then, yeah, I love this. I think it's so impactful, so incredibly easy, and that's something that I really love too. I like when a look is very, very easy, but also impactful. And I think that's the reason why I like to do kind of my traditional look where I do 3 different shimmers. I literally use my finger. I do a light shimmer, a mid-tone shimmer, and then a deeper shimmer out here. Yeah, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing season so far. And don't forget to drop your favorite holiday song. I love you, beauties. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.